Welcome. If you want to enter app permissions in your HUAWEI MediaPad T3, for the first you have to go for the settings. And right now we have to enter apps. Then click on the right upper corner or for the settings icon and tap on the app permissions. And for example, we can enter the location. And we can get access to location for the Play Store and also for the photos. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.